Now this is going to be quite exciting for me because I ordered Korean Glow Up beauty bag from iHerb, and it's going to have all the skincare classics, and it will have all of the brands that I don't know. So it's quite exciting to find out something about new brands. Let me have a look inside. Oh, of course, I also ordered banana milk hand milk, and I love this one. It literally looks like a banana. It's very handy to have in your handbag. And it's consistency of like a cream, and it smells lovely. It smells like a banana. It's from Tony Moly. I had that before. I love it. That's why I got another one. Okay, onto the Korean Glow Up bag. So it comes in this little plastic pouch that you can use as your makeup bag if you go through the airport, maybe. Let's have a look what's inside. I didn't really have a proper look of this. Right, first we have 8 minis, glowing skin anytime, anywhere. So this is basically telling you all about those 8 different products in this sachet. I'm not going to read it now. I'm going to read it later and maybe show some of you. So first thing is Refreshing Sea Kelp Real Deep Mask Facial Sheet. So it's a sheet mask from hydrogel in 2 pieces. Calming, purifying, refreshing. Sounds good. Sounds really good. Next we have Not Plus Bio Lifting Seal Full Face Mask. Another face mask. I'm not sure if this is a sheet or if it's gel. Let's have a look what else we have in here. Lifting band. Number 9 sheet mask lifting band. Oh, used together with the sheet mask for enhanced lifting effect. Well, this sounds interesting. I have no idea how to use it. I'm going to have to Google it. What else do we have? Collagen Riedel Shot 100. Use as first step of your daily skincare. The brand is Sika and Howland. Obviously no idea what that is. How to use it, have to Google it, have to read the little card with instructions. Okay, next we have Anua 77 Plus. Oh, it's a soothing toner. It's quite a nice little size for good for traveling. I might keep that for later. Yeah, toner. Then we have the Dr. Althea Relief Cream. I don't know, I'm gonna have to again read more about it. First impressions, Purito So Panthenol Cream. Moisturizing facial cream. Okay, so this is quite straightforward. Facial cream. 15 ml, again another good size for traveling. Coconut Clay Cleansing Foam from Tokobo. It's like a clay cleansing product. This is something new. It's a foam with clay. So obviously this is very good for my skin. I love that. And the last thing is All Day Vitamin Brightening Balancing Facial Serum from Jumi. So that looks really nice. It's a plastic ampoule, but I think it might be quite. Oh, it's not. It's not what I thought. Okay. Okay. So okay, use it like that. Just put a little bit on yourself. Doesn't smell of anything. Just good. Yeah. So this is my 8 products. Let's have a quick look again. What we have? We have 2 face masks and another sheet for a face mask. These 2 go together. Okay, that's a set. So there we have collagen shot, we have a toner, we have relief cream, face cream, clay cleanser, and there is a serum and a chicky banana cream for me, bought separately. So all of that is a set that normally costs £33. I think I paid £13.84 actually, all of it, because it's on offer on a try me offer. So it's really good value, I would say. It came from Korea. It took about a week for it to come, so it's really good as well. Yeah, highly recommended that. Now let's see how much it's all worth, starting with Tokobo Coconut Clay Cleansing Foam 15ml. I've seen you can get this small tub along with another Tokobo product from Superdrug for around £11. It's available for around £16 from Tesco Marketplace, or £14 from Cosmetify for 150ml. So our small tub would cost around £1.39. Next we have VT 100 Collagen Riedel Shot in 10 sachets of 2ml. And this is quite interesting because it's supposed to have those Saica Riedels in the cream that work like hundreds of micro needles that help the collagen absorb better and allowing for better penetration of any product used with it. This exact package of 10 sachets can be bought from eBay for nearly £17, but if you go to Yes Style, they have the same product for £7.61. I have actually tried this product, and it's really nice consistency and it's easy to apply on your face. But be aware that you can actually really feel those micro needles are being applied onto your face. And here you can see my face after about an hour. There's still quite a lot of redness present, so it seemed quite invasive for a skincare product. I have applied Dr. Althea 345 Relief Cream afterwards, and my skin overall feels really nice and smooth. Now moving to Anua Heart Leaf 77 Plus Toner. It's rather easy to get it in UK as it's available on Boots online, and that is £19 for 250ml bottle. However, Skin Cupid is selling the same for only £16, which would make our 40ml bottle worth £3.56. Next we have Jumiso All Day Vitamin Brightening and Balancing Facial Serum in 7ml vial. And this one is available in 30ml bottle in various retailers for around £12, which would make our little bottle worth £2.78. Next we have Purito Mighty Bamboo Cream in 15ml tub, available on koreanskincare.com for over £22. However, on SkinSider you can find it for £11.94, which would make our little tub worth £1.79. Next on the list is Dr. Althea 345 Relief Cream in 10ml tub. This can be bought from Tesco Marketplace for nearly £24, or Yes Style for £22, which would make the small tub worth £4.40. And it has been revealed that Selena Gomez is using this product to prep her skin before putting any makeup on, so it gets celebrity seal of approval. I have used this one after the VT Riedel shot. It has nice, not too thick consistency. Next we have the Biodense Refreshing Sea Kelp Real Deep Mask. It can be found online at really random prices, but if you go to Skin to Soul, it's only £3.90. This mask comes as a top part and bottom part, and it's quite a milky sort of jelly. It's recommended to use it for 3 hours for best results, or overnight. I used it for 2.5 hours and it already started getting clear in places. It went really deep into my skin and it didn't leave like a sticky film on it or anything. Just really nice and nourished skin. And our last item is Numbuzin number 9 NAD Bio Lifting Seal Full Face Mask. You can get 4 of those masks for £15.54, or one for £5.50, or one for £5.50. That gives us a total of £30.93. As you can see, I paid £13.84 for this 8-piece set, but if I were to purchase it again, it would cost me £29.85 for one-time purchase, or £26.54 if I wanted it to be a reoccurring delivery on their auto ship and save offer, which allows you to choose your schedule, whether you want to deliver it every month, every 6 months, every 2 months. You can skip, change and cancel anytime. I'll drop the link to this great offer in the description. I really recommend it because after using just a few products, I can see a real improvement in my skin. And if you like the unboxing video, please comment, like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.